In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix ERR QUIC protocol error. First of all, what you have to do is launch open Google Chrome. You can see over here I've already opened it. So if you want to fix this error, simply follow my instructions and you'll be able to do it. So what you have to do is click on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now type in Chrome, colon, 2/. Now type in flags, press enter. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now over here, what you have to do is click on the search bar. Now type in quick. You'll be able to see the results over here. Over here, you'll be able to find this option for experimental quick protocol. Right now, default is selected. Now what you have to do is click on it. Now you'll be able to find three options: default, enabled, disabled. Simply click on the disabled option that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here experimental quick protocol will be disabled. Your changes will take effect the next time you relaunch the Chrome. So like this, your problem can be solved. But if your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache and cookies of the Chrome browser. For that, click on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. Find this option for delete browsing data and click on it. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Now you'll be able to delete the browsing data over here. You'll be able to find these options for last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, etc. Click on the option of your choice. Now over here, make sure all these options are checked. Especially make sure to check this option, cookies and other site data, and this option for cached images and files. After you do that, click on this option, delete data, that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and all of your browsing data will be deleted. Now once the cache and cookies is deleted, your problem should be solved and you should no longer see that error. So that is how you fix ERR QUIC protocol error. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.